In today's video, I'm going to teach you how contact Teachable support. If you ever get stuck building your school, managing courses, or troubleshooting an issue, reaching the right place for help should be quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through how to access Teachable's built-in support tools and share a few tips so your request gets handled as efficiently as possible. First, log into your Teachable school admin. You'll want to make sure you're in the admin dashboard for the correct school if you manage more than one. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load. Being logged into the admin is important because Teachable's support tools are connected to your account, which helps them recognize your plan and school context. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen for a green icon. This is Teachable's Messenger. It may appear as a chat bubble or a small help button. Click it to open the support panel. If you don't see the icon, try refreshing the page, disabling any aggressive ad or script blockers, or switching to a different browser window. Keeping your browser updated can also help the widget load correctly. Inside the Messenger, you'll see three useful paths. You can send a message directly to support if you want a person to review your issue. Keep your note clear and specific. Explain what you are doing, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Include any visible error messages, URLs to the affected page, and the course or product name. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or private keys. You can also search the Help Center right from the Messenger. This is great when you want a quick answer or a step-by-step guide without waiting. Try using specific keywords like checkout error, student enrollment, or custom domain. If an article solves it, you're done. If not, you can pivot back to messaging support. Finally, you can create a ticket. This is helpful for issues that need deeper investigation or tracking over time. When creating a ticket, provide the same clear details you would in a message and, if prompted, attach non-sensitive screenshots that illustrate the problem. The more precise your description, the faster support can replicate and resolve the issue. That's it. Log into your school admin, click the green messenger icon at the bottom right, and then choose to send a message, browse the Help Center, or create a ticket. With those tools, you're set to get help exactly when you need it.